So guys, I think everything is working. Perfect. So hi to everyone. I'm gonna check also my live stream now to see if everything is working. Yeah, everything is good. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna start now, guys. I hope you're excited, the same as me. I'm gonna just text a comment now, I think. Here in the messages, so you will all know what we're gonna do. Hey everyone, how are you? So guys, text me in the comments if you're here with me, if you hear me well and everything is great. So, and where are you from? Let's get each other more. Hi to everyone. Okay, perfect. So today we have a test trading session with Liv on YouTube. Important to follow signals. Wait a second, I'm just texting signals here in the comments from Telegram, but you can see all process and trades on YouTube, because on YouTube is a big delay. So I'm gonna pin this message. So yeah, today we have a test trading session in the format of a live stream on the YouTube, but the live stream is just simply made for you to watch how I set up all of the settings, where I click and everything, because actually a lot of the people on the test trading session, because it was their first time, for example, when they are joining or they're trading, so they didn't understand where to click, what to do and everything. So that's why I decided to do this kind of the format. So I hope you will like it. And also you can see all of the indicators that I choose and everything, what settings I do here. And you can see also the process of all of the trading session, how I open the trades, how they close in the plus or minus. So everything is clear and honest and without any like edits or something. So yeah, but you follow the signals from the Telegram, because on the YouTube here's a big delay. For example, if you will open the same currency pair right now with me with the same time frame, you will see by the candles that it's a big of delay, like 15-20 seconds. So that's why I don't recommend to follow the signals straightly from the YouTube, because it's big delay, so we will have a different entry points. Okay, so yeah, I hope I think 5-step catch up is good enough. Yeah, it's good enough, but actually we rarely do 5 catch ups in a raw. But this is just the risk management that we need to follow in case of a bad situation. But at the same time, I actually recommend for all of the beginners, first of all, on the first trading session, you trade only on the demo account. Demo account is here. As you can see, it looks absolutely the same as the real account. You also can open a trades here, for example. I will show you. Boom, you open a trade here, just for 5 seconds as the example. And with this one, we didn't close in the plus, but that's why I don't recommend to trade with the 5 minutes, 5 seconds time of the expiration, only like 2-3 minutes. But at the same time, the currency pair looks the same. So that's how you test signals for the first time. That's why it's test trading session, and you can check it out if it's working or not. So you will understand for yourself more how it all works. And also only after that, I really recommend to trade like 2-3 times on a demo account, and only after go to the real account if you confident in your skills. So yeah, here's the real account. Looks absolutely the same, but of course the difference is that we make a real money here. So after, I'm gonna check your comments. Okay, State Air, nice. Hi Lisa, another glorious day back again. Lisa, yeah, hi, nice to meet you. Lisa, goated, get away. Thank you so much. North Carolina, okay, nice. Greetings from Zambia. Perfect. State of Georgia, that's perfect. I think I saw someone from Georgia here as well. Yeah, Georgia, perfect. Italy, wow, I've been to Italy recently in Rome. It's such a beautiful and nice country. I love that. I love that. I will tell you more about that later, but now we're gonna just trade. Hey Lisa, greetings from South Africa. South Africa, hi. Love you guys. It's a lot of the people actually from Africa in general that subscribe to me. I've never been there, but I hope one day I will come and we will meet all guys. Hi, I'm MA. Hi. Hello, Lisa. Okay, guys, today really active. I love that. So, firstly, we open a platform. That's how it looks like. I really recommend to trade on the laptop rather than on the phone because it's just more convenient and the signals you get from the phone. That's it's better to use like two devices at the same time so you will have minimum delays. So here we can click and see all of the assets that we have. Here's the cryptocurrencies, commodities, but this we don't use. We use only currencies and trade only on them. But as you can see, it's a lot that we can choose. After, here's the time of the expiration. We can change it like that's just putting on the plus or minus. It's 3 minutes. It's like 1 hour, for example. And you can also click here actually. So usually I use 2-3 minutes per trade. Amount of money, I recommend to use 1% of your balance per trade. Of course, if you have $100 on your balance, you trade only with $1 per trade. Of course, you're not gonna have like thousands of dollars in a week and even in a month. But need to understand that it's better to go step by step and have a consistent result of like plus $10, $20 every day than risk a lot and lose all of your money in the first few days. So this is not a strategy, right? We trade really carefully and really smartly. Okay, so be consistent, be ready for long marathon, because again, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Okay, so even me, like for example, now I have 1.7k, but I use only $17 per trade. But actually, because we trade for 1 hour, we're gonna close something like 7 trades. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be profit of more than $100. So maybe not more, but something around like that. And it's already great, to have this kind of the results every day. Just need to be consistent. Oh, sorry, I almost opened a trade. I just wanted to choose the currency pair. So now I'm choosing the currency pairs, guys. Oh, I need to send the settings for opening trades in the chat. Wait a second. Okay. Here it is. Time. Oh, we're gonna use this. Time, 3 minutes. Then I want to use the emoji of dollar, maybe, if I can find it. Yes, here. Amount of money per trade, 1%. Okay, here it is. Then we choose the chart types as candles, and time frame is going to be aim 2. Candle. Oh, we're gonna use this one. Candles, aim 2. Boom. Here it is. That's it. After, we're gonna set up also the indicators, but for now I need to choose the currency pair for trading. In the premium VIP club channel, now I had a trading session 1 hour ago. We were trying to trade on the euro/USD, and it was crazy. We were somewhere here actually, and as you can see, it was pretty good start of the upward trend, but it was so many corrections. It was a downward trend after. And as you can see, it's not really strong. So now on the real currency pairs, on the regular market, it's not that many options actually. As you can see here, it's fine, but not that great, for example. But we need to find the currency pair with, as you can see, euro/Canadian dollar. Also, what the hell is going on here? As you can see, the support and resistance levels is pretty close to each other. So the range of our price is not that much, and it's gonna just go this kind of the waves, so we don't need that. We need to find the currency pair with consistent strong upward or downward trend, so we can trade by the direction of the trend. This is the main idea, because the most important thing is to choose a great chart, because if you will choose a chart with a strong volatility, with a lot of the fluctuations, you can do everything you want, but probably you will have the losses because it just fluctuates a lot and you cannot predict the future movement of the chart as good as on the consistent currency pair with a strong upward or downward trend. It still doesn't give us the 100% guarantee, even if we find a currency pair with consistent upward downward trend. Here's, by the way, it's not that bad. Yeah, on the euro/Turkish lira, I was also trading on the premium VIP club channel. because after like firstly we were trading on euro slash USD, and after a few trades I'm like, okay, we're just changing to the OTC market because it's so much better right now. And after we were closing a lot of the trades in a row. But yeah, with euro slash USD it was some difficulty, so that's why. Also during the trading session sometimes I'm changing the currency pair if I see it's not going great, because I know some of the traders, they just have two currency pairs that they're trading all of their time, and I think this is such a big mistake. Because okay, today for example this currency pair could be great, euro slash USD. Tomorrow it's gonna be like on the same exact time, it's gonna be a big volatility, a lot of the fluctuations. So why you still choose this if you can choose just something different, but most probability of the profit? Why not? And the OTC pairs is not that bad as well. So now as you can see, I'm checking all of the currency pairs to find the best ones. If I like some of the currency pair, I put like the star next to it, so I got this in my favorite. So after I can choose from the best ones already. Here is not that great. Okay, let's check something else here. Okay, here's pretty good downward trend as you can see, but with a lot of the fluctuations and a really small candle, so could be not that nice during the trading session. Also guys, again, if you're here for the first time, I hardly recommend you to trade on the demo account first. Really, I'm not joking. Demo account first, and only after you go to the real account. First of all. Second of all, if you see that something is going, I don't know, for you stressful or something, and you feel a lot of the emotions, you just stop, okay? You don't continue trading session if you feel that you're overwhelmed with the emotions, you're stressful or something else, because it can really affect on your result. So it's better to, step back, wait a little bit, and continue tomorrow, for example, if you feel not great, okay? Because the emotions can affect your trading a lot. So please be real careful with that. Don't think that trading will run away somewhere. Tomorrow it's going to stay on the same place. So it's better to, check it out, everything. So I found actually 3 good currency pairs, as you can see. For example, Australian dollar and Swiss franc, a pretty good downward trend now going. Before I didn't like this chart too much. As you can see, it was also a lot of the fluctuations and a really like mini trends for just a few candles. On euro and Turkish lira, it's kind of great. It could be a pretty nice reversal here that we can catch. Here, I don't like it because it could be some sideways movement. A lot of the shadows, the small candles, or maybe it could be the continuation of the upward trend, but now it just achieved the resistance level and it's still in the same place. So I'm thinking to choose euro slash Turkish lira. By the way, do I have some subscribers from Turkey? Text me in the comments if yes. I was in Turkey. Beautiful country. Nice people, nice food. Oh my god, I was in Bodrum, I was in Istanbul. I want to go there again definitely next summer. It's so nice. I don't know, and I really loved Bodrum. Not so many people is like, as I know, going to Bodrum. And I heard about this from my friend that was in Turkey for the 4 times, and in Antalya, in other cities of Turkey, but she's also never been to Bodrum. And when we came here, we were like, oh my god, it looks like Monaco, literally. It's so beautiful, so nice, such a good water, hotels, everything. Oh my god, I was so in love with this city, really. And in Istanbul, I don't know, it's kind of a big city. I'm most likely to, have some beach rest and vibes and everything, because I was living in Bali for a long time, that, guys. And I think I like it more when you can just chill, you have the sun, you have the water, you can swim and everything. So I love that more, definitely. Istanbul is a really nice city, but really big and kind of noisy, I think. And I was there actually in September. It was kind of cold there. Haliza from Somaliland. I hope I pronounced it right. Sorry, guys. We missed such a good downward movement here, as you can see. I don't see why it's only 5 votes. I think it's more, but I just cannot redo my page. So I'm setting a signal and I'm opening a trade immediately. Okay, wait a second. I will text first. Be ready. Ready. And boom, boom, we open a trade. As you can see, I send a signal first and then I open a trade. So it's like 1 second between the message and opening a trade. So that's how we open a trade at the same time with the subscribers, because if I will open a trade first and then only send a message, you will have a delay, right? You will open a trade 2 3 seconds after, and that's how I'm also trying to not have delays with you. My birthday in this month. Oh, so perfect, so perfect. So that means October. You are who born in October? Taurus? No, I'm not sure really. Weights? I think so. Could be, right? Weights or Scorpios. So I hope you will have a good happy birthday this year. I saw on Instagram that you were in Rome. Yeah, I was in Rome. Yeah. It was so nice. Oh my god, I love that. I don't know. Where are you from, by the way, in Italy? In what city? It was so nice, guys. I fell in love with Italy. I really want to go there again because I was only in Rome. Actually, we had like a week there, but honestly, I'm not a person who's gonna like, travel and like every day is gonna be in a new city, or like walking for I don't know, 20,000 steps or something. I'm most likely chilly, I'm like, I want to chill, I want to rest, I want to eat food, I want to see something, yeah, but like not that active, I'm definitely a passive traveler, because like of course I love to see on some historical places and everything, but at the same time I want to chill. I don't know, because I know I have a lot of friends, and when they travel, they just trying to see everything they can. Me, I'm not like this. I always understand that I can come back there and see what I want, or to go to another city, for example, in Italy at the same time. So we wanted to go from Rome to Venice. It was 4 hours, I think, from there. And I was like, it's fine, but it's so difficult for me to take roads on the car, on the plane, on anything, actually, on the train or something. I don't like it. I don't know. I'm so get exhausted of the road, especially of the long roads. I know a lot of the people also traveling in Europe on the car. I would probably not survive that, definitely, because when I go in the car more than 2 hours, I'm so tired. I don't know. So that's why we just stayed in Rome all of this time. We wanted to go to Venice and then to Verona, if I'm right, how to pronounce it. Yeah, and so we just stayed in Rome. I told to my friend, girl, we're not going anywhere. We're just gonna chill here and see everything. And we were actually there like 6 days, not seven. We saw everything we wanted. We chilled enough, and it was great, because at the same time I needed to do trading sessions for you, the videos and everything, so I cannot move that much, as maybe we could move. But at the same time, I'm really good with that. So we close this trade in plus. I'm gonna send you a screenshot. As you can see, it was really, really easy peasy. Okay, so on 1 to 3, we're gonna open a trade down also for 3 minutes. I'm gonna send you, be ready, and down for 3 minutes, and then boom, I open a trade. Perfect. Okay, I'm sending you a screenshot. So I'm coming back to your comments. Country of Georgia is so nice. It's underrated at times. What do you mean, country Georgia, or you mean the states of Georgia? Because I know there's a state of Georgia in USA, and there's also a country that's called Georgia. And I was there, but I was there only in the airport. I had layover there, and I know it's great, but the food there is amazing, because I know. And one of my friends also was there this year, and they were riding a horses. They were eating such a great food. The music and the landscapes is so nice there. Like the nature is beautiful, but I never had a chance to go there. And actually, I think as a girl to go there alone, it's kind of could be difficult or something. So I need to go with someone else. So yeah, New York. Okay, New York. Every time I hear about the New York, I remember the song New York. The song. But it's a dream. I want to go to New York in a Christmas, definitely, to see all of the snow and the Christmas Eve, and all of this vibe. I think in the winter it's so nice. May from Nigeria. Okay, perfect. Nigeria as well. I can see I'm from Nigeria. Okay, three people from Nigeria. Actually, I have a lot of the subscribers from there. It's really great. Rings from South Africa, Toronto. Lisa's an angel on Earth. Thank you so much. Well, Lisa, how are you? I'm really great, guys. How are you? Tell me about you. You need to come to Cape Town in South Africa. Yes. Oh, I know about this. I will be your tour guide. That's perfect. You live in Cape Town? Cape Town is so nice, as I heard. Wow. Also, one of my friends was there. I think the last year in the summer or something, and it was great. It was crazy. When I knew that one of my friends she was in Cape Town, I was like, no way, this is a dream. Hi Lisa, hi Lisa. Good day. Great, great. Always hyped. Libra, Libra, that's right. Sorry, I'm not really good at zodiacs, but thank you for telling me. I'm from Pakistan. Okay, perfect. How are you there? Hello, Lisa. Galleta from 100 kilometers to Rome. Okay, okay, I never heard about this. And 100 kilometers is actually not that much. I'm using two phones. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. Lisa from Toronto, my favorite trader. Thank you so much. Lisa definitely had her coffee, lol. What do you mean, had her coffee? But yeah, I had a coffee. You mean that I'm energized and everything? Well, I'm always like this. Almost. Not always, okay, but most of the times. Okay, it's 4 seconds. Three, two, one. And we close it straight in the plus as well. By the way, I didn't drink coffee today. I just realized it now. I drink it every day, yes, but today, no, I didn't have. Uh, Need to change that. So, we're not gonna waste the time. We got such a great downward movement. So we're gonna open the next trade. Boom. We did that. Perfect. It's going really great. Guys, I hope the people that are in the comments, I hope you're trading now, right? I've been trying all your strategies. It's really great and works great. Thank you. Oh yeah, I didn't. By the way, thank you so much for your comments. Yeah, I didn't showed you my indicators. So my most favorite strategy for now is two moving averages. Two moving averages. Donchian channel, RSI, and MACD. You may think it's a lot, but actually it's not that much. It's okay. Usually I use like three indicators, but with this strategy, I will show you how it works like. So here, the moving average, I changed the period to 14, the first moving average, and EMA, because as you can see here is SMA, double MA, EMA, SMMA, TMA, which is EMA, click save, 14, okay? And for the other one, we change it to 8, and also change to EMA. Here it is. Don't change channels. I don't change any settings. I just leave it like that. Here the period of 20. But I'm going to hide it a little bit now just to show you moving averages more. For the RSI, I change period to 5. Click save. And for the MACD, I don't change anything. Here's fast period 12, slow period 26, signal period 9. Okay, again, I will show because a lot of people ask. The first moving average, 14 EMA. The second moving average, 8 EMA. RSI 5, MACD 12, 26, 9. We don't change here anything. Don't change channels also. We don't change here anything. So how it works like on the moving average, everything is pretty easy. We need to see how two lines is crossing each other and in one direction they go. So if we see that two lines crossing each other and going up in the same direction, that means that it's a buy signal, right guys? Okay, if we also see that our price is above the two moving averages, as here is giving us also a buy signal, showing that our price is higher than the moving averages and showing that the buyers is stronger. When we see that two lines, as in this case, crossing each other, but as we can see, it's a bit late because the downward trend already started here, but actually like the most strongest it becomes here and it's already more confident. So that's why the moving average is giving a signal when it's already obvious, when it's confident. So here we can see two lines is crossing each other, start going in the downward direction. So that means that the downward trend will continue here. That's why we're opening a trade in the downward direction. Also, our price is below two moving averages here, also giving us a strong sell signal. This is it. This is how we read moving averages. So by the way, it's 12 seconds till the end of our trade. So okay. Oh, it's lagged a little bit. Oh no, wait a second. Okay, it's 5 seconds. You can see it was so close to entry point. Oh my god. Oh, we just saved our amount of money. Okay. Saved. So that means that our, as you can see, like our price closed at the same entry point as it were opened. So be ready. Here's interesting because it could be the start of the reversal. As you can see, here's a green candle, but it's actually not giving us. Oh, it's pretty strong though. It's pretty strong. Okay, here's better to wait a little bit. As you can see, here is the resistance level. Here is the previous support level. So it hasn't achieved it yet, but as we know, the support resistance levels is always changing. And it either could go in the downward direction again, or it could go in the upward direction. As we can see now, it's reversing the downward. Who's giving me funny emojis? Come on. So we're opening here trade down for 3 minutes as the catch up, because the downward trend is still continuing. We got the confirmation from this candle. If it would be here green one, and one more, for example 3 green candles, we could say about the start of the reversal. Of course, it could happen also in the process of our trading trade, sorry. But at the same time, we follow the trend still. It hasn't achieved the previous support levels, 0 red candles. By all of the indicators, we still have a sell signal. On the MACD, we also can see that all of the last pin bars is red color. 2 lines is crossing each other, going down the same direction. It's another sell signal. The same with the moving averages. So here we cannot open a trade in the opposite direction yet because it's not giving us the sign of the reversal. But as we can see, it fluctuates a lot actually. So let's wait. I did 12 hours in Europe. Oh, wow. 12 hours in the car, you mean? 6-7 mentioned the country. Oh, wow. Yes, I'm from there. Hi, from California. California is so nice. Yes, the food, of course. Hey, friends, it's Mike. Hope you're doing well. Yes, I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking as well. How are you doing? Go to Georgia, you will not regret. I think so. I think I will not regret, of course, because a lot of my friends was there and they love that. Come to Livingstone, Zambia. It's beautiful. Okay, I will check about that. Toronto. As you can see, it's reversing so much. Oh my god. I will zoom it a little bit more. But now we're in the plus. It's 1 minute and 23 seconds. You can see everything here. Greetings from Uganda. You need to come to Croatia. Very pretty. Oh, yeah, I know about the Croatia. Oh, I heard about this one. So many countries that I need to visit. It's crazy. Welcome to Pakistan. Pakistan, yes, of course, I know. Hi, greetings from Cameroon. You're having the contest tomorrow. Yes, there's going to be contest tomorrow. I hope you're waiting for that, guys. I hope you're waiting and you already joined. So, who are doing the funny emojis? Oh my god, guys, come on. I'm giving you free signals, doing the live stream, and somebody giving me funny emojis. Who is this person? Come on. Okay, let's wait. Let's reverse a little bit again. Now it's already close. Now we're in a plus. So you can see everything is changing so fast. But we just continue. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let's wait. It's 20 seconds now. Okay. 7 seconds. Oh my god. Oh, we're so close. Oh my god, guys, you could see that. We're in the plus and after it reversed. In the last seconds, but yeah, now it could be already. Oh my god, I sent the signal. No, guys. Oh my god, no. I hope nobody opened that. I just wanted to say be ready. Oh my god. I hope nobody opened that. Because we need to open the trade up. Bum. But I will still already not open a trade with everyone. Wait a second. I need to calculate. 17 equals 4, 68. Okay, here we open a trade for 3 minutes up. Sorry guys that I sent like this. I hope, but it was just for 1 second and I think nobody opened a trade. So I'm gonna check the comments again. I opened it. No, oh my god, sorry, too late. Everyone opened it. Oh my god. Damn. But I even copied be ready. Like here, as you can see, I'm always like copying be ready, and I'm putting it here before every signal. So that's why. Oh my god, the hell. Okay, in case of something, we're gonna open the ketchup. I put 100 on it. No way. No way you put 100. It's like a ketchup, or you how much deposit you have? Even me with my deposit, I like this trade is $68. Oh, I opened it up. Okay, the guys, don't worry, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. Or maybe even you will close the trade on a plus and me no. But actually it's a reversal here already happens. So yeah, let's wait. No worries, it was just the it was the second signal. It was like the first catch up. So actually it was not even the first catch up, because the previous trade, the other one at 24 minutes, we saved the money, and after I actually needed to open a trade for $17, the same, but I opened two trades by $17 each as a catch up, and actually it's our first catch up now. It's our first catch up. So even if you don't close the trade in the plus, you can open the catch up still. Yeah, it's uptrend, of course, yeah. Okay, it's 42 seconds. Okay, let's wait. $22. Put up now. No, guys, please wait till the end of this trade, and after we can open already another one. So yeah, this one we close in a plus. I'm gonna do a voice message now on the channel. Wait a second. So guys, on this trade, firstly, I wanted just to copy the text of be ready, because I sent it before every signal, so you would be ready. And somehow it's copied the previous signal, and I send you the signal down, but wait a second. Oh, it didn't. So guys, this trade we close in a profit, but before I send you a signal down, and somebody may open that, and it was actually accidentally, because I wanted to send you be ready, as I send you before every signal, so you would be ready. So yeah, if you open a trade down and you didn't close it in plus, you just open the next trade as a catch up, because actually it was our first catch up. The previous trade we saved. You can see it in the chat as well. So yeah, now we're gonna open a trade up again for 3 minutes. I'm gonna send you a signal. Okay. You see, I was copying up for 3 minutes and it's texting down again. Oh my god. Okay, I'm changing here amount of money. Okay. I'm sending and I'm opening a trade. Okay, I'm gonna send you a screenshot. Here it is. And let's wait. I won, I lost. Yeah, if you didn't close the previous trade, you open the catch up. It's all right. Okay. What do you recommend we do if you take a trade and you win it, but we're like 1 second behind, but we lose it? Do you recommend catching up in the same direction on our own or not? I don't really recommend to do something on your own while you still not really sure in your experience and everything. If you are sure, you can do that. But at the same time, when you are following the signals, I don't really recommend doing something on your own, because it's a system, it's some kind of the strategy that we do together. But yeah, for example, of course, it could happen that it's just 1 second difference and you have a little bit different entry point. And in this cases, I say to you that if you didn't close the trade in a plus, you open the next one as a catch up. especially if it was just the first trade or the second trade or something. So yeah, so that's how you will still cover your losing trade, the one that you had before, and you will still have a plus. So we'll wait here. Please do extra trades to make up would be fair. Yeah, we're doing it now, so no worries. We're still training. So. So it's 40 seconds till the end. Oops, guys, something happened with the stream. I hope it's back. So it's 2, 1, and we close this one in a plus. Okay, perfect. So we can open a new one here. Not wasting its time. I hope the stream is back. Let me check. Yeah, everything is good. Okay, perfect. There's something with the connection. I just want my money back. Love you, Lisa. Thank you so much. It's perfect. Oh, thanks. Yes, I was just nervous if we were like on the 4th catch-up trade and you win it, but we'll lose that. I didn't know if you recommend taking the next catch-up trade. Nice trade. I closed. Okay, perfect. 1 is on. Perfect. Yeah, guys, text me your result. Text me your result here. Great profit. Okay, nice. So it's it's lagged a little bit. Wait a second. Yeah, because I have so many things opened on the on the screen. Yeah, guys, by the way, here's the contest. I'm gonna show you. So yeah, to join the giveaway, you need to be a member of VIP channel, have a minimum $50 deposited on your trading account, subscribe to the main Telegram here and also my YouTube, and also show up on the live during the stream on October 2nd. We're gonna be tomorrow already. And it's gonna be 3 winners that will get $350 each, and also 5 more will join my premium VIP. So yeah, it's kind of really good, I think, conditions and a lot of the prizes that you may like. So I hope you will join it. It's pretty easy to follow. So it's 47 seconds. Profit for this. What is 6-7? Profit. I can believe it. Finally, a girl who knows what she's doing and knows what signals to send. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you. So cute to hear. Really. So nice to hear, yeah. Well, but I've been doing it for a pretty long time to have that. And of course, to always need to learn, to get a new knowledges, to never stop here. And I heard this kind of the phrase that, when you, for example, going in the workout, you feel yourself weak, but actually it makes you stronger. The same with the learning. When you're doing something, learning some new language, for example, we close the trade, by the way. You feel yourself like not that smart, a bit stupid maybe or something, but actually it makes you smarter. So this is how it should be. You should do the things that not comfortable at first, but actually they make you better, definitely. So we open another trade. Sorry guys for not talking too much right now because I have some cough. I don't know what is that. Why it's lagging so much, but the trade, yeah, is already open. I hope it's not gonna be here reversal, but we didn't achieve the resistance level yet, as you can see. So we just wait. Another live stream tomorrow? No, yes, it's gonna be a live stream where I'm gonna trade and everything, and at the same time, it's gonna be announcing of the winners. Are you going to pick out the winner on YouTube or the Telegram? On the YouTube. I mean, I'm gonna choose the winners from the list that I have that joined the VIP Club channel, that subscribed to my YouTube, to Telegram, to did all of this conditions. And after I'm gonna choose the winner randomly. I'm also gonna check if he subscribed to YouTube, to my main channel, and have all of the conditions. So that's how. If the winner, like for example, if I choose this person didn't subscribe to YouTube or Telegram, unfortunately I will need to choose another one. You're cutting off sometimes. It could be because of the too many programs is open. I one again. Okay, perfect. Damn, it's reversing. Yeah, it's reversing, as you can see, guys, unfortunately. We're gonna check it out now. Yeah, as you can see, it's going really in the downward direction. You don't know the 6-7 meme? No, I don't know that. I don't have time for the memes, actually. So yeah, let's wait here. Let's wait here. Maybe we will change the currency pair because you can see here. It's pretty big red candle. We don't know if it will go in the downward direction again, or maybe it will reverse a little bit, or maybe it was just a correction candle. It's most likely the reversal. It's 1 minute, still a long time. Well, we need to wait till the trade will be closed. I will just text be ready for a catch up, so everyone would be ready. So yeah, we're not gonna close this one. Okay, I'm sending you a signal and I'm opening here a trade. It's a catch up. Lisa, why do we always use OTC or just a consonants? As you may, if you join my VIP Club channel, you could see that sometimes I'm trading there on the regular market. But again, I was trading today on the Euro/USD on the Premium VIP Club channel, and it was so random. It was so crazy. As you can see, for example, even if I open the Euro/USD now, how about that? The most popular currency pair, and look how it's impossible to trade here. It's such a small range of the price. It's just impossible. At some of the currency pairs, like sometimes on some of the days is really good currency pairs in the real market, and it choose them, of course. If it's really good, of consistent, strong downward or upward trend. But for now, as you can see, for example, Canadian dollar and Swiss franc, the real market. What a hell! You're not gonna trade there definitely. After Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. What the hell is that as well? The same thing. How are you gonna trade there? As you can see, all of the currency pairs here with a payout of 92%. Also, it's only the OTC. Then, on the real market, the first currency pair is 89%, and even I have the increased payout because of my level but you will have less, a bit less here. British pound, Australian dollar, what the hell is that as well? It's impossible to trade on the short-term trades. On the longer time of the expiration, yes. For example, US dollar, Swiss franc, what the hell is that? The same. For now, it's not the best time, definitely. On some of the days in this time, it's really great, but at the same time, we trade every day, sometimes few times in a day, two, three, or something, and at just some of the hours, the real market is not great. That's it. And as you can see, when we're trading right now on OTC pairs, it's going so much better. Because, for example, I was trading on the Euro/USD before, and I didn't close 3 trades in a row. It's too much. It's too much, guys. Because I'm always trying to minimize the catch-ups as much as possible. Put in the straight 1000K. Come on. It's not true. Crazy morning, but as you always say, go with the trend, but with your strategy, you can't lose. Well, of course you can. It doesn't mean that if there is some good strategy, it means that you will have 100% of profitability of the signal and of all of your trades. It's impossible. You need to know that. Okay, just a few seconds, guys. One, and we close it. Okay, perfect. Super, guys. I think it was really productive. And we're gonna already finish here because, as you can see, it's some kind of that we're already close to our support level here, so it can reverse. Also, here's a really small candle with a small body and big shadows. So it's like a doji candle that could show us the indecision of the market. So it could be dangerous to continue trading there, and the other currency pairs is not that great as well. So we already made a pretty good result. So guys, thank you so much all. It was really nice and productive. Give me your feedback in the private messages. I'm gonna do, by the way, the screenshot. I'm always forgetting to do that. Actually, we made pretty good balance after trading. Here it is. So guys, thank you so much all. Thank you for being on the live stream today. You were really active. Thank you for comments, for activity, for joining it as well. So we'll continue with you tomorrow. And yeah, if you have any questions, you're always welcome in my Telegram.